Hello dear students, how are you today? Now we will talk about common multiples. First, you have to remember that multiples of 2 means the products of table 2, or if we skip count by 2, we will say all of these numbers. Starting from 0, if I skip count by 2, I will get 2. Then I will get 4, then 6, then I will get which number? Yeah, it will be 8. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and so on. Okay? Let's see, what about the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 means I will skip count by 3. So if I skip count by 3 starting from 0, I will get 3, 6, 9, 12, yes, that's right, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and so on. Okay? What about if I talk about the common multiples of 2 and 3? Let's see what is the meaning of a common multiples first. A common multiples are a multiples that are shared by 2 or more numbers, or the sharing numbers between all of the multiples for these two numbers. Let's see if we talk about the common multiples between 2 and 3. Let's see, the sharing numbers here will be 0, 6, 12, 18, and there is many numbers that we have to get the common multiples from it, okay? So the common multiples of 2 and 3 from all of these numbers, it will be 0, 6, 12, and 18. Booklet page 38, exercise number 1, list the multiples of each number until you find the first 3 common multiples. It means that I have 2 numbers and I have to write all of the multiples that I know to each of them till I find the first 3 common multiples. Okay? So letter A, 5 and 7. In this one, I have to write the multiples of table 5, the multiples of 7, then I will find the 3 or the first 3 common multiples of them. Let's see, 5, I will start from 0. If I skip count by 5, I will get 5. After that, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. As you know, I will skip counting by 5. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. That's enough. Let's see, 7. I will start from 0 also, but here I have to skip count by 7. So if we jump by 7, we will get 7. After 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 70. Let's stop here. Let's see. The first common multiples that we find here, it will be 0. The second one will be 35, but there is nothing else after 35, so I have to continue the multiples here to get the third one. Let's see. 60, 65, 70. So we have here the last common multiple. It will be 70. So the common multiples here will be 0, 35, and 70. Letter B, 6 and 8. In this case, as you know, I have to write the multiples that I know in 6 and the multiples that I know of 8, then the common multiples of them. 6, I will start from 0. skip count by 6, it will be 6. Skip count again by 6, it will be 12, 18, 24, 30. Stop. Let's see 8, starting from 0. 8 here, I will skip count by 8. So after 8 will be 16, 24, 32, and 40. Let's stop here. Here is we have the first common multiple, it will be 0. The second one will be 24, and there is nothing in the third one, so I have to continue the multiples of 6 and 8 to get the third common multiple. After 30 will be 36, then 42, then 48. Let's stop here. Let's see 8. After 40 it will be 48. So I have the third common multiples here, and it will be 48. So the common multiples here will be 0, 24, and 48. Rest of page 38. Letter C, 4 and 3. It means that I will write the multiples of 4, multiples of 3, and get the first 3 common multiples of them. Let's see 4. I will start from 0, then I will skip count by 4. It will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Let's see 3. Starting from 0, and I will skip count by 3. After 0, gonna be 3, and here is the first common multiple between them. Okay, after 0 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, and this is the second one, or the second common multiples of them. After 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. So we have the third common multiple between them. So the 3 common multiples here will be 0, 12, and 24. Letter D, 2 and 6. As you know, put all the multiples of 2, put the multiples of 6, and get the common multiples of them. 2, I will start from 0, and I will skip count by 2. It's gonna be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's see 6. We have here 0, so this is the first common multiple between them. After 0, I will skip count by 6. It will be 6, and this is the second common multiple. After 6, I will skip count by 6 also. It will be 12, and this is the third and the last common multiple here in this one. So the common multiples here will be 0, 6, and 12. Rest of page 38, exercise number 2. Find a common multiple of 7 and 3. This exercise we can answer by using many ways. The first way, you can write sum of multiples of 7 and sum of multiples of 3 and choose a common multiple for both 7 and 3. Or you can multiply 7 and 3, and if you multiply 7 and 3 you will get 21. So 21 is a common multiple for both 7 and 3. You can find it in table 7 and in table 3. So a common multiple between them here will be 21. Exercise number 3, which is a common multiple of 5 and 8? If it's 20 or 40 or 35. So in this case, you can write sum of multiples of 8 and sum of multiples of 5. Then you will choose a common multiple between them. Or you can multiply 5 and 8 to get a common multiple between them, and it will be 40. So 40, I can find it in table 5 and in table 8. Or if we skip count by 5 or skip count by 8, we can say 40. So The common multiple here will be 40. Thank you so much, guys, and goodbye.